Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off with my brows. I'm not going to go too in depth with my brows, but I am using a new pencil. This is by TheBalm. I'll link it down below. It's really nice actually. I think I still like my ColourPop pencil better. If you guys have been watching my videos, I've been using that one, but this one is nice too. It's a little more creamy, but it still looks pretty natural. So I'm just filling in my brows how I usually would. And then to start off the eye look, I'm going to prep my eyes with the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm just going to apply it and then blend that out with a big fluffy brush. And this just helps to make the eyeshadows stand out and be more intense on the eyes. And I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphebrushes collaboration palette, and I'm going to go in with this orangey kind of shade first, just as my transition color, and I'm going to be blending that back and forth into my crease. And then I'm taking this medium brown shade and I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner and also into the crease just to deepen up the eyes and give a little more dimension to the look. And then going in with this dark brown shade, I'm basically going to be doing the same thing into the outer corner and kind of flicking it out so that it has a bit of a wing shape, and also bringing that into the crease a little bit as well, just to blend everything together. And then taking an even darker brown, I'm just going to really deepen up the outer corner in kind of like a V shape. And then I'm taking that jumbo pencil in Milk again just to prep the inner corners of my eyelids for the teal color that I'm going to be applying. This is just going to help the teal color really pop. And I'm just going to be applying that teal shade with a flat shader brush right over where we placed the Milk pencil. And as I'm doing it, I'm also kind of blending it into the other colors, and I take that same brush that I used for the dark brown and I kind of just blend it together so it doesn't look, you know, like there's a line between the two. And then using the Royalty Pressed Glitter palette from Creative Soul Cosmetics, I'm going to first just apply some glitter glue to the teal on my lid. And then with the same brush, I'm going in with that teal glitter and I'm going to apply that right over that teal shade that we applied. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with the TheBalm Schwing Black Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to create a small wing just to line the eyes because I'm going to be wearing falsies. And for lashes, I'm going to be wearing the Creative Soul Cosmetics lashes in the style Vintage. And for moisturizer, I'm using this Derma E Vitamin C moisturizer to prep my skin. And then I'm going to be using this NYX Do Me Up. I believe it's their Honey Primer. I'm just going to apply some to the face and just buff it in with my fingers. And then to go over my large pore areas, I'm using the Milk Blur Stick. And for foundation, I'm using NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Ceylan. And I just really like this foundation because it's light. It's definitely sheer coverage, but it's a really nice natural finish. and the color matches me really well right now. And I'm just going to blend that in with a damp beauty blender. And for concealer, I'm going to mix two. I'm going to use the NYX HD concealer because it has kind of like a pink undertone, and that's going to help cancel out my dark circles. And then I'm going to apply some of the Tarte Shape Tape just to get some coverage. And then I'm going to apply some RCMA No Color Powder right over top of where I applied the concealer, and then also just on the areas where I tend to get a little oily. And just leave it on for a few minutes, and then I just brush it off with a big fluffy brush and then go over it again with my damp beauty blender just to soak up any excess powder. And then I'm going to contour a little bit with this NYX contour stick, and I'm just going to be putting that underneath my cheekbones, around my chin, and also around my forehead. And I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender as well. And this is just going to help kind of give my face some definition. It's a really nice product. It's very subtle. I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer afterwards just to intensify it, but it definitely blended out really smooth and it looked flawless. It didn't look like I was wearing any product. And I'm just going to use the Anastasia Contour Kit, and like I said, I'm just going to use a little bit of that to intensify the contour and also just bring some more color to my face. And I'm also going to apply a blush. I didn't show it, but it's from Becca Cosmetics and it's called Tigerlily. It's just like a pretty peach shade. And then I'm going to spritz my fan brush and apply some Gilded Honey just to the high points on my cheekbones, my forehead, and then also the bridge of my nose. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm going to basically repeat the same steps that I did for the top of my eyes. I'm just going to use that transition and then kind of make my way to the deeper browns. And then I'm going to add a little pop of teal on the inner corner of the lower lash line as well, just to tie everything in together. And then the lips, I'm using this LASplash liquid lipstick. I think it's called Innocent Vixen. And that's it for this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!